AntiProton is a rather potent down. The laboratory AntiProton is rather the down proton in the non-standard model. Here is why. The production of the AntiProton. The AntiProton is obtained by the following process. 1. Accelerate a proton to an energy greater than 6 GeV. 2. Project this proton towards a block of metal, iridium. For every 5 million protons projected, there is 1 AntiProton produced. The AntiProton thus produced has a high speed, therefore a high energy. So we need to slow down the AntiProton by cooling. As the AntiProton is charged, it is stored in a ring with a magnetic field. Analysis of the mechanism. The nucleus of the iridium atom has 77 protons and 115 neutrons. The collision between a proton and iridium atoms causes the breaking of an iridium nucleus. The logical result would be a collection of protons and neutrons and possibly some nucleon constituents. But we also have a particle with a negative electric charge and a mass close to that of the proton. This leads us to think that it is an AntiProton. From a physicist's perspective, a neutron from the iridium nucleus received high kinetic energy from the incident proton. Either the neutron is broken, becoming smaller elements, quarks, or smaller. Either the neutron loses its position from the center and becomes a down proton. This is relevant according to the non-standard model. Indeed, the position in the center is not as stable as the other position of the up quark, constituting the neutron. Down neutron breaking diagram. Down neutron, by losing a position, become a down proton. The neutron has 3 quarks, 2 down quarks and 1 up quark. Each quark has an electric charge. Down quark has electron and up quark has position. And the center of the neutron can locate a position, and this position can escape. If the neutron gain a high energy, the position may be lost. So the neutron become down proton, and the down proton has 2 electrons and 1 positron, so the global electrical charge is negative, and the mass is similar to the proton. This is the down proton, and the usual proton is the up proton. The neutron breaking diagram, up neutron breaking diagram. Up neutron is just a proton plus an electron at its center. As for the down neutron, the up neutron can lose an electron and become the up proton, also called the proton. Neutron breaking according to the standard model. Neutron can be broken and become 3 quarks. But how does it become an AntiProton? No answer. We don't know how. No model gives the mechanism why the neutron can become an AntiProton. Quantum chromodynamics QCD, the origin of the fractional charge of quarks. Quarks have 1/3, 2/3 electric charges with plus-minus signs. Proton and neutron each have 3 quarks. Proton, the equation for proton is Qu plus Qu plus Qd equal to 1. And for neutron, Qd plus Qd plus Qe, Qu equal to 0. These 2 equations have no solution, no physical solution, but they have mathematical solution. The problem is the smallest electrical unit is 1, so fractional electric charge have no sense in physics. Conclusion: modeling quarks in the standard model 1 into elementary particle is absurd. 2. Their antiquarks are therefore unfounded. 3. The mechanism of AntiProton generation has no convincing physical basis. According to the non-standard model, antimatter does not exist. The interpretation of annihilation proton plus AntiProton give photon is a mistake, because proton plus AntiProton give photon plus pi, with pi equal to invisible particle. This is the law of strict conservation of matter. Internet links for more details. https nonstandardmodel.org http jax.dom.free.fr